Hi, you're watching part 2 of a 3-part series explaining how to use our end-of-the-year virtual checkout. In video number 1, I gave you an overview of the different categories and tabs so you can navigate the site. And here in video number 2, I'm going to focus specifically on the Home tab and also the end-of-the-year instructions tab. The Home tab contains the end-of-the-year memo. You can access the memo by clicking this link here, or if you go down below the picture, you'll see a subpage for end-of-year memo. The end-of-the-year memo is like your Encyclopedia Britannica of everything you need to know to close out the school year. It contains dates and then various items that you need to know, such as this FYI right here or here, and action items on things you have to do. And these things are time sensitive. Now, some of these things are just general information. Others contain links. So, for example, on June 5th, one of the actions is to complete the classroom or office furniture inventory. This is actually a live link that you can click on and will go to that particular form. You'll also notice that that same form is located here under Forms to Complete, there. So you can access it either way. And I'll go into Forms to Complete in greater detail in part 3 of the series. So that's the end of the year memo. In this section for the instructions, it breaks down the end of the year memo into 4 different parts so you can focus just on one thing. So for example, if you wanted to see what you needed to complete just for library, here it gives you just a breakdown of those things in the memo, but just for that particular category. Another thing you can do, it has a nice search feature too, since this is a site. Let's just say you have some digital cameras and you're wondering what to do with them. You can search for it. And then here you can see that it's in the library section, and it's also in the memo section. And you'll find the same things for Blackboard, the reading room, and technology. So this completes part 2 of the video series. In the next video, I'm going to focus on Forms to Complete, and then I'll round out our series on how to use the virtual checkout on the Google site.